imagine, Aisha was 18 years old when the Prophet died. How old was she? 18. And Allah called her and the others in the Quran, Allah called them Ummahat al-Mu'mineen, the mothers of the believers, meaning they have become haram on every man. Yani once the Prophet dies, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, no one can remarry her. 18 in a world and in a society where the man was everything. Imagine this 18-year-old is watching her husband die at the 8, and she has her whole life that now she knows, I'm going to be alone. I can never remarry after him. So he wakes up from his, he was unconscious, and says to Aisha, how much money do we have? This sunnah no one talks about. Sheikh, please man, put these stories behind. Let's speak about investments and stocks, and let's speak about buying houses, brother. Because in our hearts, we believe that honor, that money will restore the honor of Islam. Ya Aish. Ya haram. So she says to my Prophet of Allah, all that we have is 7 gold coins. Imagine a man with 9 wives. Is he a man or not? By the standards that we live in, please don't answer, don't embarrass yourself. Don't be a hypocrite. By the standards that we live in, is he a man or not? Today, brothers have paid off their houses, paid off. And he's working to pay off the second and the third because, brother, I need to leave something for my children, brother. Exhausting his life. Not halal haram. I don't care about halal and haram. But tell me, when the Prophet was dying and there were 7 gold coins between 9 wives, is he a man? Sister, you know the one, I wish I was married to him. What Chanel handbag was he gonna buy you with 7 gold coins? Tell me, man. What hair and makeup studio were you gonna go to on a fortnightly basis? Tell me. What restaurant were you gonna be fine dining in? Tell me. So he says to Aisha, take the 7 gold coins and give them in charity now. So he loses consciousness, then he wakes up and he says to Aisha, what did you do with the 7 gold coins? 7 gold coins, Ya Rasulullah, leave him, man, let him be. Aisha, 18 years old, she's alone, haram, leave her, khalas, 7 gold coins, they're not gonna make her rich. No, like it's no, but there's something far deeper. So she says, oh Prophet of Allah, look at our mother, man. She said, I held on to them, I didn't give them away in charity. He says to Aisha, do you want me to die and stand in front of Allah while I still own something from this dunya? Is this how you want me to stand in front of Allah, Aisha? Where's this sunnah?